Alright, this is 2349 Covington. We're in the countryside area, and we're going to drop down the kitchen stack. You can see where the kitchen sink comes in. That was the clean out that's on the wall. So we're under the house now. And I'm going to reset the counter. It's black ABS plastic, so it is a color camera, but the pipe itself is black. And this is a 45-degree fitting, so when we got here, this guy was just completely filled with grease. So we've got all the grease pretty much cleaned out of here. Now this is the belly that I was talking about. So to see how the camera head's dropping underwater, and we go all the way to the combo that picks up the main line, and I'll run back behind it so you can see. So the camera is completely underwater right now. Now you can see how it comes up out of the water and then it jumps into the main. So this is the main line that picks up all the the bathroom from the back of the house, runs from the back of the house to the front of the house. So this combo is a branch line. So you can see in this fitting we don't have any standing water, which tells me once I get back to this point you can see a very small amount of water. Then the camera head drops underwater. So this fitting, or the pipe before it hits the combo, has got a sag in it. So it started at 19 feet, and we got it clean. All the grease is cleaned out. So it runs about 5 feet. The camera head is very small, and you can still see a little bit of water here. See a couple of tiny little chunks of grease, but the whole pipe was just full of them. So we've cleaned all that out really good. Aside from digging up the floor, since it's only impacting the kitchen, I would suggest just not putting any more grease, down the kitchen sink, since you've got that little trough or that little belly that's right there. So now I'm coming back up the stack, and I'll pop out of the roof so you guys can see about where we are. So this is the backyard, back corner, and that's our kitchen stacker right there. So everything's nice and clean, grease is gone, just have a belly in the line. Thanks for watching.